Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is again an excellent opportunity for all the freshers, and even 2026 batch students can apply, where salary can be in the range of 10 to 20 and even 30 lakhs. So I'm going to cover the complete details. Before that, about the company. The company name is Autodesk, which is a public listed company on the Nasdaq, and it's one of the Standard and Poor top 500 companies in US. You would know the name of the AutoCAD software. So it is very powerful architecture and the civil tool, right? AutoCAD design 2D, 3D, Revit, which is also a very popular civil product, right? So software. Even in the media and entertainment industry, you would have heard 3ds Max and the Maya, which is used for modulation, simulation, and renting the film and visual effects. So this is the company which makes this software, right? Now talking about it started in 1982. So it's a 43-year-old company based out of California, which is Silicon Valley in US, and that is the headquarters, and it's a $6.13 billion company. So again, it's one of the top notch companies which has more than 15,300 employees globally. So that is the 2025 employee strength. So I am going to talk about the open position which is part of the university hiring. So this is from their main website, autodesk.mydayworkjobs.com. So you can see it's university hiring, so freshers as well as students who are going to pass in 2026 batch can also apply. So 2026, 2025 batch students can also apply, 2024 batch and 2023 batch can also apply based on the experience. So talking about the software development engineer position, it is open at Bangalore and it's a full-time position. So it was posted just 3 days ago, and it's a latest update which I am providing here with the job code 25WD 91027. That is the job requisition ID which you can apply here. So again, I am saying it's an entry, as it says, as an entry level full stack developer, you will play a pivotal role in user interface and backend architecture, and you need to also know one of the languages like TypeScript, JavaScript, RESTful, GraphS, APIs, Docker, AWS, Lambda S3. So any of these skills, if you have, you can contribute to full the software development life cycle. Then this is the job basically which you can apply and get into the process. So key responsibilities: design and develop, maintain web application, which includes front end and the back end responsibilities. Build, test, and integrate RESTful and Graph QL APIs, right? You have to develop responsive, accessible, user-friendly experiences using React framework, Vue, or similar ones. You will have to implement backend systems also, business logic using Node or equivalent technologies. You can use Dockers for containerization purpose, deploy and manage application on AWS, S3, Lambda, ECS, API gateways. You can participate in agile ceremonies, sprint planning, and daily stand-ups. Now, next is the proficiency. They are looking also in the front ends like JavaScript or TypeScript, whichever you have. Foundational knowledge, REST APIs and GraphQL, as I mentioned. Basic experience with Docker or any application development for containerization. So they are asking for proficiency, but they are not asking for experience specifically through job. So that's why freshers and the 2026 batch students are also good to apply here. And familiarity with more of the topics which are XP, HTML5, CSS3, GitHub, version control, all those things which I've already mentioned is the prerequisite for this job. So now if you are interested, maybe you can apply for this job. Basically it's autodesk.myworkdayjobs.com, Bangalore in India, and software development engineer STE1 position, job code 25WT391027, which I mentioned. So you can create a login on the main portal of Autodesk and attach your resume and then provide all the details and submit. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe channel to get similar updates on all the